Alright guys, what's up? Welcome back. I know it's been a hot minute, and I know you probably missed a few things on this Blazer, but we are now working on it again. I know it's hard to see, but anyway.
Go ahead and give them a walk around of what you've done.
Alright, so we'll give you guys the quick rundown of what we've done real quick. Anyway, as you can see, we've got a roll bar, air quotes. It's not meant for rolls. Sorry about the sun, guys. But it's not meant for rolling. It's literally just meant for just holding a canopy and just really grab handles is all it is. What we've got here is this is our exhaust. Yeah, or lack thereof in exhaust. But anyway, I'll bring you back this way and I'll show you what we had Taco make for us. So we've got crap handles that we've made out of paracord. We've got 3 of them, one for the middle, one on both sides. Me and Steiner will probably be in the back. You know, we're gonna have to have something to hold on to.
That's when Steiner is riding with us.
Yeah, and that's if Steiner does ride with us. If not, then the giraffe gets the whole back seat to himself. Anyway, this is another part of the roll cage, roll bar, whatever you want to call it. She's welded to the bumper. Got crossbars here, one in the middle and then one on the front. Other than that, you know, this actually makes this pretty easy to get into, because I can just crawl right up in here and hop on in, and I'm in. So it's pretty nice. My stepdad welded that up for us. Appreciate that very much. But as of now, what we're doing is I bought a Amazon tack. That was like 25 bucks.
Honestly though, it looks pretty.
I mean, it looks just fine. Here, see, like, bought a little tachometer, put it in a Blazer, like $25. It's cheap. You can tell it's cheap.
And the thing is, it doesn't really look cheap.
It doesn't look cheap, but it feels cheap. But we're installing that right now. We'll actually show you guys how to do that, because there's like maybe 2 videos, and they're very vague on how to do it. So we'll go ahead and show you that. What?
For a TBI motor.
Yeah, for a TBI motor. They're pretty vague on how to do that. So, you know, we'll show you guys how to do that, and we'll go step by step on what we're doing. What else am I missing? Anything? As of now, that's pretty much it. Oh, we got fans. We got our fans too. We'll be better fans. Not these jank fans, but we got better ones. Yeah, they worked. They kept it cool, but they're just
not cool enough.
They're not janky. It keeps it cool enough, yeah. But they're just janky the way they're on there, and just the whole. We don't want it. So I got 2 fans for like 35 bucks. So I mean, you know, yeah, it's the same one Zach has on Lolly. But anyway, we're gonna get to figuring out the tack real quick, and then I'll show you step by step what we're doing.
I could probably just.
All right, guys. So we've got
that goes right there.
Everything figured out where we're gonna put it. We're gonna put it right over there in the corner. So basically, what you do on these TBIs is you have to get the white wire from the coil.
That does not go to the distributor.
That does not go to the distributor. Do not use that white wire. Use the wire that goes into the loom and goes back into the cab. If your vehicle has it, they have it. If your S10 has a tack, it will be hooked up and you have to cut it. You know,
if not, it's just got a little end.
If not, then it'll just be in the loom sitting there, and all you gotta do is undo the loom and pull it out. But ours had a tack. Our gauges quit working. Our digital dash did,
which makes me sad.
Yeah, our digital dash quit working, which makes me very sad. But you know, it'll be fine. Anyway, you just cut that wire, and what you're gonna do is that's your signal wire. It'll be the green on the tack is your signal wire, and then you can hook up your power to a fuse. Just stick it in a fuse. Where we're gonna use our radio fuse, or what are we gonna use? Just something that gets power on key, like on whenever you start it. I think that's what we're gonna do, and then just ground it to really anything that, you know, can be used as a ground. Alright guys, so we've got it working. I do not recommend buying an Amazon tack though, because it jumps around.
No, it's not that you don't buy an Amazon pack. You just don't buy a $20.
Okay, yeah. I'm trying to rephrase that. Don't buy a $24 one. It jumps around, but it gives us an idea at least. Oh, you can cut it. But anyway, what we did, like I said earlier, that one white wire we just took, went up through here and connected it to the green, and then we grounded it right up here as well.
I think a lot of our issues still in the ground.
Yeah,
because we
probably
moved the ground and it was better.
Yeah, we moved it, so we'll probably play around with the ground a little bit.
A self-tapper.
Yeah, we'll make it a little better. Hopefully, maybe we'll get it to work fully, but it's not that hard, you know. And then the power, we just took a power
the radio fuse out,
and took the radio fuse, wrapped it around the thing, and stuck it back up in there, and it works fine.
Yeah, because I mean, is the battery still hooked up?
Yeah. Yeah. It jumps to 8 and then goes back to 0 like it's supposed to. So it works. It's not hard at all. It took us like a lot of 10-15 minutes to do it. So that'll be about it. And then we'll come back and do fans after food.
Yeah, we need to do a light in our temp gauge.
Yeah, and then we'll add a light to the temp gauge so we can see at night.
There's going to be a lot of nighttime driving.
Yes, there is. Yeah, we'll catch you guys here in a few minutes. Alright guys, so we just got our new fans hooked up. They're puller fans now instead of our old janky pusher fans. I mean, they work, but these are going to work a lot more. So what we're doing right now is we're just letting the motor get up to 190 without the fans on. And I'm going to go up here and kick them on, and then we're going to see basically how much they actually do. And I feel like it's going to be quite a fucking lot. Mint oil pressure, more than what we used to have. Definitely. What we have, like maybe 18 pounds.
Oh, when we first got this thing running?
Yeah.
Yeah, we had a lot of gas in the oil.
Yeah, we had a lot of.
We got that all figured out now.
Yeah, there was gas definitely in the oil.
We're almost up to 180 now. We're at like 179.
Our tech is still derpy. I mean, I'm not too worried about it. It gives us kind of a general idea where we're at.
Plus, it looks cool.
Yeah, plus it looks cool. Almost to 180 now, and then I'll kick them on right when we get to 190, see what it does. So be right back when it's at 190. All right guys, so we're pretty close to 190. You can probably barely hear me over this, but she purrs like a kitten. I mean, honestly, it runs pretty darn good for after we got it all fixed up. Just waiting on it to get to 190 so far. Well, I can't really show you the fans. I'll have to turn my camera around, but I'll show you here in just a minute. Kick them on? All right, we're gonna kick them on. We're gonna see what happens. And they're on. They are pulling air.
Alright, we're already at 180 again.
already back to 180.
We're basically going to sit here, let them run with the fans, see how well they work and how cool it'll get it down to.
Yeah. Hopefully she works pretty mint.
179.
Yeah. Already working pretty mint.
Remember, we're not running a thermostat. So
Yeah, there is no thermostat, so I mean...
Probably not the best idea, but...
Yeah, it'll be fine.
176, 177.
Already going down, pretty good.
Still dropping.
But dropping pretty good, actually. About 25 pounds of oil pressure, which is totally fine. Already almost down to 170. fell, almost died.
Definitely worked pretty mint. Worked way better than the old ones. The old ones had said about 190, which there's nothing wrong with that at all, but a little bit too high for my comfort with how we're going to be driving it around the brakes. So
This is very, I mean, I'm happy with what these are doing right now, so.
well worth the money.
Oh yeah. Once we actually get them hooked into a switch, they might probably work even better. Because I mean, so
We'll have a better connection. So.
yeah, they'll have a better connection than what we do have. I mean, I'm definitely happy with that.
Absolutely.
I'm not disappointed on it whatsoever.
Still dropping. We also got to remember though, it's like 49 degrees today. They decided to get downright cold.
Yeah. You know, misery weather. Crap gets cold for no reason. Works pretty mint. Come back out here. Still sprinkling a little bit, but yeah, you get our bar, our handles. You know, we still got to clean out the back. That's where our cooler's going to go right back here.
We also have an old beer stand, like blind cover that we're going to use for a canopy.
Yeah. It's just like a, what would you call it? It's almost like a ghillie suit, except it's just like this.
Yeah, it's just a cover.
It's just a cover. And we're just gonna, hold it over just for some shade whenever, if it's sunny. Hopefully we want it to rain this year again, like it did last year. Keep everything muddy, nothing dusty, nothing like that. So that's what we're hoping for this year. I mean, we're still going either way. We've got our ticket, we're ready to go. And this is, basically all done. I mean, we got to do a CV axle, and that's all we're doing. We are not relocating the battery. We just don't want to spend extra money for the wire, the big gauge wire, just to move it. There's no reason. We're just gonna run the hood stacks and put the muffler, we're using cherry bombs, right, Zach? Yeah, we're gonna use cherry bombs, and we're gonna put tracker flaps on it. So if you guys are going to Bricks and you see us rolling around, feel free to say hi.
Feel free to make a stop, give us a beer.
Yeah. Feel free to stop and take pictures. We don't care.
Wave us down.
Oh yeah. Oh, and for American Day, I'm not going to say anything, but as you can see the truck, you guys already know it's painted the American flag. Well, if you guys see us there, we're going all out for American Day. But I'm not going to say anything more than that, so.
We have one last addition, the decoration to this truck. It's at Brady's house right now though.
Yeah.
But you gotta support.
Oh yeah.
You gotta support the president.
Gotta support the president is all we're gonna say. But yeah, guys, we've really enjoyed building this. There'll be another video when we do CBX and stuff like that. But with this truck being basically 95% done as it is,
All we really have left,
CV
axle put in. We need to clamp down our pipes so that we can put our mufflers on. We'll get to that once we have our mufflers. But yeah, CV axle is the last mechanical thing we need to do.
Alright, sorry about that, guys. My phone storage got full there for a second. No, we were talking about our CV axle.
Yes.
That's what we gotta do. But while I was clearing out some stuff on my phone, get ready for more video, me and Zach went and found our
Canopy.
that we're gonna use, and we actually put it on here.
That's what the roll cage was built for.
Yeah, that's what it was meant for. That's why we put it on there, so it would hold us a canopy, so I'm not dying of heat stroke
And
in the back.
It looks awesome.
It does. And so here it is, guys. It is a just hunting blind cover that he has. We just zip tied it because we zip tie everything. But here's how it looks.
I feel like it looks pretty dope.
I think it looks pretty sick, actually. I mean,
It gives it kind of a military vibe.
yeah, it gives it like the back. Actually, come here and look. Like you look at it, and then you look. It actually looks like a blazer with the freaking back on it. That's funny. We left the back open so we can, get our cooler in and out. On the side over here, usually where I'm going to be sitting, we had it where, if I wanted sun, I can just flip that up there, you know, talk to people, whatever the case may be.
Yep. And then if you're getting too hot, lay it down.
Lay it down, you got shade.
Yep.
You know, we'll be getting in right here. Seat back. And you hop on in. Oh God, I almost died. I know it's really dark.
If it rains, it'll somewhat provide some water protection.
Yeah, some. But this is gonna be a little.
You know, I'll be the driver, of course.
All right, chauffeur. Just give me a lift.
I'll be your driver. Where would you like to go?
Bricks.
All right. Well, you got about 28 days.
Yeah, I know. But anyway, guys, we're gonna end this video right here. Thank you guys for watching. If you're not subscribed, hit that button, hit the notification bell, and leave us a like. What else we got?
And show some support by showing up to Bricks.
Yes, and if you guys would like to see
Because not only are you making us happy by seeing our fan base, although there's not much of one yet,
yeah,
you know, you're giving a good family some money that's providing an event that we enjoy.
oh
So
yeah, this is our vacation.
I promise you, you'll love it if you go.
Every year, this is our vacation. But anyway, guys, thank you guys for watching.
We'll catch you next time.
Yeah, we'll catch you